Alright guys, you are looking here at a custom fitted teeth grill, 6 top teeth. This has the trim, the yellow trim around with the dust in the middle. It's gold plated, over 925, sterling silver. Beautiful grills, these are handmade. Look at that nice design on it, which is the diamond dust with the yellow trim. Gives it a nice clean look. This is available on our website, blingcartel.com, guys. You get free shipping in the US, quick service. You can get this for 6 teeth, 8 teeth, 10 teeth, whatever you're looking for. We'll work with you. blingcartel.com, guys. Check us out. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.